Hi subscribers. Today
Сейчас собьет, чё?
I know that you watch my videos. I have almost 200 subscribers. Today is a new vlog. We're going to do something we don't even know. Let's just see and enjoy what's going to happen. We have no idea. That's all. Okay, so we are in night market in Ningbo. Actually, they have a lot of stuff. This stuff is a little bit different and even weird. For instance, they fry bananas there. They cook normal barbecue here. Because in China they eat small pieces of barbecue. I don't know, but this one looks like barbecue for human beings, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So also they have another stuff. Not that bad. Not that bad.
2026最流行的画就是搭配。
这个是什么？
果茶，水果茶可以试一下。
好，谢谢。
Mocha? Alcohol. Alcohol. Is it alcohol or no? But if not alcohol,
好喝。
I'm not interested. Thank you, man. If it's alcohol, it's better. Okay, not bad, not bad. It's nice. Thank you, Max. You're recording my videos. And actually, guys, you should write down in comments. Thank you, Max, because he's with me all the time to record something. If you go to Thailand, if you take an interview, you maybe watch this video on my YouTube channel. You guys know this interview with trans woman Soda. He was near, but we didn't see him. But he was there. Max is always there. Like love is in the air. Yo. Let's go.
Just a shady person.
Just a shady person. At the same time, he's bright. Like a sunshine. Don't forget to record something worse, man. 啊，这是谁？这是谁？我要一个。我没有钱，怎么办？
开不了了。
可以。
嗯哼。
Is she alone or with someone? Ah, Is she alone or what? Boys, I just saw a beautiful, cute girl. I don't know if she is alone or with someone because sometimes I don't really understand.
Behind the white
She acts
one.
like she's alone, right?
Сзади тебя на 6 часов. Милированная.
Ah.
Милированная. Ну да.
Too young. She's too young. But I'm too old. So, and what's going on? She just look at us. That's all. Does she look at? She's just looking.
A bit.
A little bit.
A bit.
A bit.
Он рэпершу. Рэпершу. В леопардовой.
Okay, not bad. You can.
Рэперша за ваку-флаку шарит нож.
Really? Does she know Waka Flocka Flame? If you guys know Waka Flocka Flame, just
Брейк сквад.
please. Okay, so we just see some people here, we just see some people there, and we're going. I think we're leaving.
Ага. наебнулся с очками.
Don't fall down wearing my glasses. Anyway, don't fall down in your life. Never. I wish you guys to have someone who will let you do not fall down. We came to Ningbo to the Old Band Street.
What I want?
What we want?
You want is to drink is the Russian people today. They wanna drink is the foreign people today. What do you want?
We want. You ask us if you want to drink with Russians or
You
with
wanna
foreign.
drink is the Russian people? Let's go.
How many Russians are there?
And
1, 2, 3.
you
Taido.
have is a Russian bar in here, place. Russian bar. The
What?
Moscow bar is from Russia.
Wow.
Yeah,
Do they play Russian music there?
Maybe.
Shisha music.
No, I don't know. Unless maybe yes.
What about girls? What kind of girls
You
come
want
there?
girls and I love Chinese women.
Damn, and they like Russian guys.
You want a Russian guy? So this
Chinese girls like Russian guys if they come there.
Yes, difficult.
It's difficult.
Yes.
If you have Tiana, it's not difficult.
No, yes, you have money, it's no problem, right?
On my bank account.
Any place with you know.
With you.
Yes, with you.
Are you with us for money or without money?
No, this is difficult. You need
It's difficult.
Fine. Yes.
Damn. Is it Russian place now?
Go to Russian place.
Is it far from here?
What?
Is it far from here?
Yes, here.
How far? How far is it?
Нерп.
Nope.
Нерп.
Nope.
Нерп. Yes, this is Нерп. Поблизости.
Just nearby. It's nearby.
Nearby.
Mm,
Nerp.
it's near.
Here.
Nerp. Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. And also, guys, please say subscribe to my channel.
What?
Subscribe to my channel.
Channel?
Victor Triple Trip Vlog. Subscribe to my channel.
Влог?
Victor Triple Trip Vlog.
Channel. Варь. Это и рекламу Алиэкспресс.
Ну ладно. Не пошло.
Нормально, оставляй.
To this Old Bond Street. Lauaitan. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I speak no English, por favor, señora. No English, no English. Español. Do ya? I am under the water. If it's old band, you are young one. Young band.
Fucking old.
You know this song, guys? Oh, it's a dog. It's a dog. A dog. Damn. She's pretty though.
Go. She's open bar. She's from Belarus.
Really?
Yeah, sure.
Here.
Yeah, here.
Blue taco.
Okay.
他们去俄罗斯了。
Let's go.
对他们今天去的。
没有了。没有了。
对他们去俄罗斯。
什么班？哪里有
Let's go to MPP.
？OK，他说他知道我。Cocktail place. Mm.
有气泡水，然后里面也有荔枝口味的。
你好，Stout 有吗
再来个气泡玫瑰券 ，Hello。
？Stout 有吗？Stout. Irish beer, Stout. 啤酒 Stout. Only this one.
Yeah.
Okay, 可以的。Bye bye. We came back to. It's not about this. It's not about handsome. Let's drink for great,
Okay, let's drink
for wellness,
For your hospitality.
for weather,
Okay.
for Ningbo, for Ilya because
for anything.
for Ilya because he brought us here and we met
for
and we
Ilya.
can be happy. So how many years have you been? How long have you been working here?
maybe maybe almost 10 years.
10 years.
But I'm not in. It's not my hometown. Ningbo is not my hometown. My hometown is
你的
London.
你的不是
London? You're from the salty China.
I told you.
sauce。
You're from
So
the
you forgot.
salty. You're from the
你的
salty China.
你的家乡在哪儿
Salty China.
？South
China.
sauce from South
Guangdong,
China.
Guangdong.
Ты соленого Китая.
And never hate me, please. No, I forgot, блядь. No. What happened? I forgot. Just forgot.
Okay.
You are from South.
Нравится по-английски. Он очень русский, мне нравится.
Да.
Прям по-нашему.
It's okay.
It's Anhui, you know, Anhui.
Hui.
You ever been there?
Where?
Anhui.
Anhui. I heard.
Anhui.
It's not south.
Not a
It's not so.
Middle.
Middle. Okay. Like
South
east,
Middle.
but middle. Anhui.
Have you ever been?
No, I know a guy from there.
Okay.
A girl too.
A girl, yeah, a girl.
Modern guys. He knows more girls than guys. You know.
I'm so sorry.
But my
But I like potato. Listen to me, my friend. You like it? Never mind that this is a potato. You like this?
Бля, брат, давай прокачивай твой английский.
I like
To
potato
do.
too. What do you like is a potato?